Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today, if you didn't see the title of the video, I finally went to the thrift store. Oh my gosh, it has been so long since I went. I wanted to go a while ago, but it just didn't happen. But yes, I finally went to the thrift store. I finally have a little haul that I would like to share with you guys. So let's get into it. I don't know what I want to share first. How about the least exciting? Alright, so there was a bag full of these like headbands, and I was like, yes, because I enjoy making horns and ears and stuff, and these would be absolutely perfect. I chose a black one to put in my brown hair. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can see that. Anyway, these would be perfect though to use because they're comfortable, and I've honestly just been trying to find these everywhere for a good price, and this was just perfect timing right here. So very happy with that. Then the next thing is I bought a large soup mug that you can put in the microwave. And it comes with like little instructions. It's pretty easy. You just pour the soup, close the lid, make sure the vent's open so the steam can be let out, and then you just microwave your soup. And I'm like, yes, because I often microwave my soup. So I figured this was perfect. All right. The next really cool thing is I found this little wooden chair. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, it's like a head reference. I don't know. Apparently I have like a small head though, so maybe that's not a very good reference. I don't know. But either way, it is so it is actually really, really cool, but it's so cute. I have an upcoming project that this will work very, very well for. I'm hoping the project will be okay. I hopefully can do it. But anyway, so that'll be perfect for that project. I was even thinking about making like a little seat cushion. So anyway, sorry, off topic. All right, then. Oh, excuse me. The next thing, I bought a friend. I bought a little friend. Isn't he so cute? Everything is clean, by the way. I already cleaned and sanitized everything. He's so cute. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Look at this sad look. This is what happened. I picked him up at the thrift store and I saw these sad little eyes. It's probably, it's just kind of because his fuzz got over his eyes. But like they look so sad, and I couldn't put him down. So I had to bring him home. I don't know what I'm gonna do with him, but he's probably just gonna sit somewhere and chill with me. Maybe we'll have a tea party. All right, the last two things have to do with like material, but like kind of, well, for the one, either way. Okay, the next thing I got is this tablecloth, which has this like ruffled end. It's a decent sized tablecloth. It's like an oval circle shape, and I just thought of this like earlier today. I was like, you know what? This would be an awesome apron. So I think I'm gonna try and make an apron out of this. Like I said, I just washed everything. Everything's clean, so it smells good. What I was continuing with this. I also thought about maybe like cutting like a hole in the middle of this and putting like elastic or something and having it be a skirt, but I was like, you know what, apron, more useful. I'd get more use out of it, so probably an apron. All right, the last thing I have. I don't know the person who donated this. I don't even know where you would get this kind of thing. Maybe just Amazon. Actually, I'm not sure. But like, it was so funny. Okay, here it is. Here it is. It is literally it's like a thin piece of fabric, but on it, it's like, oh, here, let me back up a little bit. Can I back up a bit? It's a freaking window, okay? This is upside down. It's a window with like view of the ocean. Like, what? Like, what even was the coolest thing. So I was like, well, yeah, I'm buying it. But I just think it's so neat. I don't know. It might just be a backdrop if I were to ever need a backdrop. I don't know. I don't know. I just couldn't say no. Oh my god. So yeah, that's what I bought. Hey, real quick, I forgot something. It was hiding. Okay, I also bought this like case thingy, and like it's opening. Here, hold on. It's open, like it's got tons of like little areas. I was thinking about potentially putting like patterns in there. Maybe if I want to try and organize my patterns in like one of these things instead of like it's just in a bind. They're just in binders right now. So maybe that. Okay, that's it. Just some random stuff, cause you know, first time back at the thrift store. You know, some random things, some useful things, some I don't know things. Oh man. Okay. This was fun. This was fun. I'm hoping that I can go more frequently, but we'll see. All right, I'm gonna get going now. I'm gonna go take a nap. A nap sounds great. What do you think? Yeah, nap. I think nap too. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Please make sure you guys are taking care of yourselves. Sleep is important. Make sure you're eating. Make sure you're drinking water. Stay hydrated, especially since the weather's going to be getting warmer, I think. Which, you know, I like the cold better. Either way, stay hydrated. Stay safe. Please like and subscribe. Oh, I don't want you to don't thumbs down the video. I just meant to point. Yeah, I really need a nap. All right, please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Bye-bye.